The iPhone 13 remains several months away from becoming a reality, but there's still plenty of rumors about what Apple has planned for this year's models. And in this video, we will be going through some of the specifications, its design, price, and the launch date. From everything we have heard so far, the iPhone 13 is going to have an upgraded camera with a 120 Hz of refresh rate. It is being said that it will have a more powerful chipset, and as for the design, it is going to be similar to the iPhone 12 range. If iPhone 13 release date follows Apple's patterns for previous launches, we could see this device hit shelves by September 2021. The prices are unknown, but they are expected to be in between $699 to $1,100. A trimmed down camera bump can be expected in the iPhone 13. The Pro models will offer a matte black color option. A variety of leaks and reports have that the iPhone 13 is tipped to come with a smaller display notch. One rumor also suggests that the Apple has at least one prototype that does away with the notch entirely and makes the bezels around each side slightly thicker to compensate. A clutch of leaks and rumors point towards the iPhone 13 getting an under display take on Touch ID, and it might have the dual biometric authentication, the Touch ID and the Face ID. All the four models of the iPhone 13 are expected to have the same screen size as the iPhone 12 range. The iPhone 13 and 13 mini will likely to have more color options, including some brighter shades, and the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max will likely have fewer options, including sober tones like silver graphite and gold. One interesting rumor that has come up is that the iPhone 13 might have the telephoto camera with a 6 element upgrade to the ultra wide one, at least on the high end models. Another addition would be the inclusion of LiDAR sensors on the iPhone 13 and 13 mini rather than just the Pro models. All the four models of the iPhone 13 will have a sensor shift OIS, and 13 Pro and Pro Max models are believed to have ultra wide cameras. The possible change to the camera module would see the lenses stacked diagonally rather than vertically in the iPhone 13 and 13 mini. Apple is planning to go portless with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the prediction is still shaky. The software technology in the iPhone 13 claims that the new iPhone could offer increased battery capacity without increasing their size. And the last thing is that the iPhone 13 range will have a 5nm chipset with 5G technology in all models. Let's summarize the list of all the changes expected in the iPhone 13. The first is improved camera performance, super battery life, smaller handsets size, and minimum 128 GB of space. Less prices for larger storage variants.
Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and updates like this. Till then, Shabakhat, take care, bye bye.